Can chair yoga help you burn belly fat? Hi, I'm Sarah Starr, host of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on PBS, and I'd love for you to stick around until the end, where I share with you the #1 key to having success on your fitness journey. But first things first, abs are made in the kitchen, and you can't out-train a poor diet. That being said, chair yoga is an effective and accessible way to strengthen your core. Those gentle twists and ab exercises help to tighten and tone your belly muscles without the neck, back, or knee strain that so many experience when trying to get down on the ground. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and join me for this uplifting routine to fire up your abs and energize your body. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a seated knee raise march. Sitting tall, place your hands over your belly. Begin to alternate lifting your legs from right to left, strengthening and toning through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Adding on, place your hands to lightly rest behind your head with your elbows wide. Continue lifting your legs from right to left, sitting tall, keeping your core engaged, lightly drawing your navel in and up while cinching in all the way around your waist. Adding on, inhale at center, lengthening your spine. Exhale, gently twist, drawing opposite elbow to knee. Continue rotating from right to left, keeping your legs active, squeezing and contracting through your leg muscles while working through your obliques. Moving into a side crunch variation. Maintain your hands behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip, gently flexing. Continue moving at your own pace, keeping your elbows wide, broadening across your chest, flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Release and return to center. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, lean forward halfway, keeping your core engaged and your spine long. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, cinching in all the way around your waist, using your core to stabilize this movement. Release, moving into another knee raise variation. Place your left hand to lightly rest behind your head with your elbow wide. Inhale, reach your right arm open. Exhale, sweep across your body as you lift through your left leg. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, squeezing and contracting through your abs and left leg. Release and repeat on the opposite side, strengthening and toning through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps while activating your obliques. Release and return to center, moving into a seated twist. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Continue breathing deeply, allowing this twisting action to re-energize and nourish your spine. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support, taking a few slow, deep breaths here. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. And now for the number one key to having success on your fitness journey, it's consistency. The ability to stick with it and finish what you start. So if your goal is to tighten and tone while feeling healthier and happier in your body, I'll see you tomorrow. Also, remember to like and subscribe as it'll help YouTube remind you to stay on your fitness journey. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.